After the iOS 18 update, many iPhone users have reported Safari crashing, freezing, or not responding. Issues like videos not playing, hidden URLs, and privacy errors are common. In this video, we'll show you proven solutions to fix these Safari problems. Part 1. Why is my Safari not working? Outdated Safari. Delayed iOS updates cause compatibility issues. Too many tabs, excess tabs, and cache overload Safari. Extensions. Faulty extensions can cause crashes. iOS bugs. Software bugs may affect Safari. Part 2. How to stop Safari from crashing on iPhone. Fix 1. Close all Safari tabs and restart. Too many tabs can crash Safari. Close unnecessary tabs and restart Safari. To close all tabs, tap the overlapping squares icon, then select Close All and reopen Safari. Fix 2. Clear Safari history and website data. Open your iPhone Settings app and scroll down to select Safari. Tap Clear History and Website Data, then select Clear History and Data to confirm. Fix 3. Force restart your iPhone. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Fix 4. Remove problematic extensions. Go to Settings and select Safari. Scroll down to find extensions. Disable one extension at a time and check Safari to see if it works properly. Fix 5. Update iPhone software and Safari app. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap General. Select Software Update, and if an update is available, tap Update Now. Fix 6. Disable Safari suggestions. Open Settings on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down and select Safari. Find Safari suggestions and turn it off. The switch will turn gray. Fix 7. Turn off Safari JavaScript. Go to Settings on your iPad or iPhone. Scroll down and select Safari. Tap on Advanced, then toggle off JavaScript. Fix 8. Disable iCloud Safari syncing. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap iCloud. Find the Safari toggle switch and turn it off to stop syncing. Fix 9. Disable autofill. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down to select Safari. Tap autofill and disable the Use Contact Info and Credit Cards options. Part 3. How to fix Safari crashes on iPhone without losing data. If Safari still isn't working, the issue might be with your iOS system. Try using iOS System Recovery to diagnose and fix any system-related glitches quickly. Step 1. Download and install the software. Download and install the software, then launch it. Select iOS System Recovery and connect to your iPhone via USB. Unlock your iPhone and tap Trust if prompted. Step 2. Select the type of problem. If you are not sure about the specific problem with your iPhone, you can skip the abnormal status selection and just click Start to proceed to the next steps. Step 3. Select the repair mode. Choose between Standard Mode or Advanced Mode and click Confirm. Here, you will have two options. If your iPhone is fine, click Optimize to access firmware info. If there's a problem, you'll be redirected automatically. Step 4. Repair your iPhone. On this page, check your device's firmware and model info. If needed, update the details. Choose the iOS version, then click Next to download the firmware and repair your system.